Hi, I'm Adam. Welcome to the 65th week of my renovation here on Iris Street. To be honest, week 65 was pretty boring. It snowed a bunch and I tested out my new home gym for the first time. So without further ado, let's check out this really quick week. It's a cold, icy day here in Colorado. I've picked up a couple of adjustable dumbbells from Dick's Sporting Goods tonight. With this, I'm gonna have the minimum operating gym I need to do my daily workouts, which basically includes some, exercises on this rack and then some barbell exercises on the bench. Sorry, dumbbell exercises. Currently, I'm doing Jeremy Ether's Built with Science program. Like it says in the title, it's a science-based workout program, and I'm on the beginner variant of it. So I have an A and a B workout 3 times a week. 1 week is ABA, the next week BAB, back and forth. You just saw me doing barbell bench press. Right now, I'm doing back squat, just trying out my new equipment. In this shot, I'm actually standing backwards, but, getting used to my equipment. Same thing for this bench. I'm doing a chest supported row. Got really used to the equipment at the gym, and I'm getting used to my equipment at home. So far, I'm liking it, but it is different, so it's going well. This is a dumbbell lateral raise with the 10-pound weight, and this one, even though it's 10 pounds, it's pretty hard. And the last part of the A program is a single leg weighted calf raise. I do 4 sets of these. And you can see I've got a 25-pound weight in this increment. I'm also just testing out the pull-up bar, which you can see I have to go between a joist cavity. My ceiling is 7'4", and that's just barely tall enough. Well, my first workout's complete, figuring out the system, but I think it's gonna be pretty good. Biggest constraint to this gym is the height of this ceiling. When I put it in its final location on the other side of the house here, I'm gonna have to orient it so that this pull-up rack has access to a joist like I've got it now, because at 7'4", when you're doing the pull-up, head needs somewhere to go. I have a long ways to go on my fitness journey, doing an ultra marathon, 50 miler in September, and in August I'm doing the triple bypass, which is a 110-mile bike ride through the mountains. In general though, just looking forward to getting in better shape and eating a little bit healthier, and having a home gym is part of my philosophy of if you want to succeed at things, you should lower the barrier to entry. For me, one of those barrier to entries is going to the gym, the time it takes to get there, and just not even the time, but the fact that I have to get in my car, just the extra willpower, I guess you could say. This still isn't going to make anything easy, but it's convenient. And the other nice thing about having a home gym, I'm not going to be constantly waiting for the squat rack. These squat racks, you get them set up, you do your squats or your bench press, and then you wait 2 or 3 minutes in between sets. And so either you're waiting on someone else to get done with their sets, or then you're the person at the gym who's got it all set up and you're just sitting there waiting in between your sets while other people are waiting on you. It's just so nice to be able to have this at home. Also, I got some extra J-clips, these little things, so I can have my squats set up on this side, but my bench press set up on that side. And all the while, these safety bars will protect me both when I'm squatting and both when I'm benching. So, I'm sure I'll make some tweaks as I go, but first workout to success. Gonna take a lovely sponge bath and continue on with the evening. You don't get to see the sponge bath part, by the way. Admittedly, the rest of this week is pretty uneventful. Because of the weather, I'm waiting on my spray foam to go in. So, as you can see, it's snowing again, and I honestly didn't get a lot of actual work done at the house. But the snow is pretty, so here's a few shots of the various sides of my house as the snow is coming down. It's also my uncle, Dan and Dave's birthdays. They're twins, so spent a little time in Fort Morgan. The week ends with more snow. Really not a very eventful week, so the next couple weeks are kind of like this, to be honest. But some progress will be made. Here's what the house looks like right now, just waiting on that insulation to go in so I can put up drywall and really start finishing the home.